All right, today we're talking about how you can remove time from a date timestamp within Excel. So here in column B, we just have some dates with some times, right? And we want to remove the 3:05 p.m., 5:31 p.m., all of those times. We just want the date. Now, there are two pretty simple methods that you can do to resolve this. Now, the first method is to go into the cell and type the date manually. So we just want it to display 5/19/25. And then once we enter that, we can hit Control E, and that will flash fill and follow that exact format we did. So you'll notice that all of the times are removed. So that's a pretty quick and simple method to do. Now, if you wanted to try using a formula to remove the time, basically what you would do is use the integer or the int formula. And then you'll go ahead and select the cell. You'll go ahead and hit enter. And notice what this will do is it will give you the date, but it still has the time. However, you'll notice that it didn't keep the original time listed. It kind of basically sets that time to 0, essentially. So then what we can do is then go up to here and hit short date and remove that time. And then we can drag that down and we can see that the timestamp is removed. So those are just two simple methods you can use to remove the time from a date within Excel. Thank you so much for watching. Please, before you go, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you so much and have a great rest of your day.